Lowe's. Charles, it's all yours.
You got it, Alexis. Well, yeah, Lowe's and Wal-Mart, two powerhouse retailers in our index. The Fox 50, they're making headlines this morning, and for a reaction, I'm joined by Chief Trader at Fishberg and Coletta Capital Management, Karl Eggerss. Karl, let's start with Lowe's. They beat on the top line and bottom line pretty significantly, in my opinion. The stock looks like it's poised for a pretty strong open. What do you make of the results? Is it company specific, and do you think it helps the broad market?
It can help the broad market, definitely, when they say positive things. They have the outlook going on a little further. That's better. But, you know, I look at these companies, Home Depot and Lowe's, and I say, are they selling to people around the world? The answer is no. Are they selling things that people have to have right now, like food? No. And so I don't like the stocks technically, and I don't like Lowe's fundamental. I mean, cutting costs. I mean, a lot of these companies right now, they're having to cut costs to make it. They're having to cut dividends. They're having to issue more stock. So this is a temporary catalyst, but I don't like it going forward here.
Okay, well, let's switch to Walmart. They are selling stuff to people around the world, but this has been an ugly stock. Now, the big news this morning is that they're revamping their electronics, 3,500 stores. They're battling Best Buy and Amazon for that Circuit City crowd. What do you think is going to happen there?
Well, here's the problem. I don't know about you, Charles, but I go into Best Buy, I try out the electronics, then I go online and try to find it cheaper, and I usually get it cheaper, and it's delivered to me without taxes, without shipping. So I think Walmart's competing. I think it's a smart move, no doubt about it. Technology is one of those areas where we know teenagers are going to spend their last dollar. Adults are probably going to spend their last dollar on electronics. They're going to do that, but I don't think they're necessarily going to buy at the store. So I think they can gain some market share from Best Buy, but I still worry about gaining market share against some of the online retailers. That's my main concern with Walmart.
That Walmart chart is pretty ugly. Do you think that stock is a buy here?
No, I do not. No, I do not. The only thing I do like about them is they are international, and people have to have a lot of their products right now. But I don't like it. Period.
We've got 30 seconds from Microsoft. Big news here. They're teaming up with a city in China to actually fight piracy. Now, 82% of all PC software sold in China, it's pirated, at least back in 2007. Is this a step in the right direction, and is there any implication for the stock?
I think it is a step in the right direction. I think a bigger catalyst will probably be maybe the August timeframe when they do come out with the next generation of Windows there, Windows 7. I think it's basically Vista without the bugs. This is something that they have to do. They've known about this for a long time. I think probably they let a lot of this slide to get their name out there and get some penetration. But I think right now they have to do this, and it's the right thing to do, not only for them, but all the other software makers.
All righty. The right thing to do for us was having you on this morning. Thanks a lot, Karl. Appreciate it.
Thank you. All
right, coming up, the one thing you should know, and it has something to do with Donald Trump. We'll be right back after this.
This is where investors turn for expert